If seeing the northern lights has been on your bucket list, this is the year to finally book your trip. Scientists predict that this year will have some of the best displays of the northern lights of the past 20 years. The solar activity is expected to be stronger in 2024, which will cause more frequent displays of the breathtaking lights in the sky. In this video, we'll cover what the northern lights are, when and where to view them, and how to maximize your ability to catch them on your trip. The northern lights, also known as the aurora borealis, are caused by solar storms and flares from the sun, which results in large blasts of charged particles sent towards the Earth. When the particles enter our atmosphere, they display as glowing colors dancing across the sky, generally in green, red, and violet hues. The solar flares are typically visible between 60 and 75 degrees latitude, a region known as the Northern Lights Belt, or the Aurora Zone. This area covers the northern parts of Canada, Norway, Sweden, Finland, Alaska, Russia, Iceland, and Greenland. These are the best countries to visit if you're trying to catch the most brilliant displays of the northern lights. The best times of year to catch the northern lights is between October and March, when the skies are darker and the solar flares are most visible. The peak time to view them is between 11 p.m. and 2 a.m., as they are most likely to appear during the darkest and coldest times of night. When planning when to go, you'll want to pick a drier month, as a rainy or cloudy sky will block your views. The aurora borealis is fairly unpredictable, and seeing them on your trip is by no means a guarantee. But we have a few tips on how to have the best chance of viewing them. First, you'll want to download the My Aurora Forecast and Alerts app to get a forecast of when the solar flares will be most visible. This will help you plan on when to be waiting outside to see them. When picking a spot to view the northern lights, you'll want to get as far away from light pollution as possible. There will likely be snow where you are viewing the lights, and since snow is very reflective, you will need to avoid places where streetlights can reflect off the snow and make the colors in the sky less visible. We also recommend getting to a high point to see them, so that you are above any of the mist or smoke that settles in the area that could potentially block your view. You may want to look into hiring a local guide who can help you navigate the best spots to view the northern lights, and will likely be able to share some great pointers on how to photograph them as well. Be sure to pack your warmest clothes, as you will be in freezing temperatures waiting to see them. We recommend investing in insulated jackets and pants that are both windproof and waterproof, as well as some nice thermal layers. Packing hats, gloves, and heat packs will also serve you well, and make the experience far more enjoyable. Which country are you most likely to visit to experience the northern lights? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Travel IQ for more travel tips and tricks.